Nina. Today you're going to investigate the changes in the materials. Before we move on to our next topic, let's have a short review first. Tell whether the following properties are physical or chemical. Number 1, malleability. If your answer is physical, then you are right. Number 2, flammability. If your answer is chemical, then that's great. Number 3, ductility. If your answer is physical, then good job. Next, combustibility. If your answer is chemical, then good job. Last one, heat conductivity. If your answer is physical, then you are right. I specifically chose some materials in our home. And these are paper, garlic, and water. Let's know each of them. Paper. Paper is made of wood pulp. And did you know that paper was first discovered by the ancient Chinese? Next, we have garlic. And we know that garlic is used as a spice in some of our meals. But did you know that garlic has antibiotic properties, which was formally studied by Louis Pasteur in 1800s? Last, we have water. And we know that we cannot live without water. It is very important to every living organisms on earth. Are these things can change? If so, how are we going to change them?
We can change the paper by crumpling, folding, tearing, and burning. Garlic may change by chopping and heating. We can change the water by freezing and heating.
Let's analyze these changes.
Paper does not change even external force from clumping, folding, and tearing was applied. Paper is still paper despite the changes in its size, shape, and volume. There is no new product form. Garlic, after chopping, is still garlic. Its taste and color are the same, but its size and shape change. Water, when put into the freezer, becomes ice. When heat is applied to the water, it becomes gas. There is a change in its state from liquid to solid state and from solid state to liquid state.
If the size, shape, and volume of the material changes, and there is no new product form, we call it physical change.
Paper, when burned, produces gas and emits light. There is also a foul odor coming from the smoke. The paper becomes ash, and ash is completely different from paper. Therefore, there is new product form. Garlic changes its color. There is aromatic smell produced. Its taste changes and the temperature increases. Aside from the samples from our activity, I have here the vinegar and baking soda mixed together. Vinegar and baking soda when mixed together produces bubbles and precipitate.
If these things occur in the material, such as the change in color, taste, and odor, formation of bubbles and precipitate, produce gas and emits a light. There is a new product form, and if these evidences happen due to chemical reaction, these changes in the composition of chemical substance in the material is what we call chemical change. Just like these materials, our circumstances are also changing. But whatever changes we might encounter, we should face it with a brave heart and continue moving towards our goal. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you learned something from today's topic. Goodbye and God bless.
Please like and subscribe.